Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to take next topic of our English subject, that is writing skill. Writing skills. So dear students, today we are going to learn how to write a picture composition. So look at these beautiful pictures. Are they pretty? Oh yes, they are. And if you look at them carefully, every picture is trying to say something. I feel they are asking us to write about them. What do you say? Yes. So let's get going. So in this lecture, we are going to learn how to write a picture composition. But before we move ahead, let us first know what is a picture composition. Picture composition. What is a picture composition? So, picture composition is describing a picture with meaningful sentences. Describing a picture with meaningful sentences. A picture composition is a description of a picture, that is, we are going to write sentences or a paragraph about what are we can see in the picture. So picture composition. So listen these points carefully. A picture composition involves writing sentences based on a given picture. A picture composition requires the reader to carefully observe the given picture and describe it in the form of a composition having meaningful sentences. Now let's learn steps to write a picture or how to write a picture composition. So, carefully observe the picture. Observe the things or actions you can see. Note down your observation as point in a logical order. Image the scene and try to frame sentences. Select a suitable title based on the imaginary theme you have made for the picture. Write the title top of the paragraph as heading. So, pictures are always fascinating and every picture has something to tell us about itself. So now let's pick one picture here and see what it is trying to tell us. So here we go. Oh, wow, what a beautiful scene. Let us now see what is this picture trying to say about itself. So, observe the picture very carefully and write down what are you can find there. Now, it is time for us to write down our observations. Well, before we move ahead, just have a look at the picture. What do you think it is trying to depict? Yes, it is a scene of the garden. So, theme of this picture is a big garden. So, see the points: many trees, birds, swing, painting picture, many children's, mother, nest. These are the some points from this picture. Well, now we have shot down all observations and I am sure based on this observation we will able to write a picture composition. Here I have written a picture composition for all of you. To have a look, just go through it once with me. And I am sure you will be able to write your own picture composition. So for you, I have a picture here and you have to observe this picture and frame sentences to write a picture composition on your own. So, observe this picture carefully and write down your picture composition. I am going to frame some sentences. So first, see this picture carefully. Yes, there is a big garden. There is a big garden. Many children are playing in the garden. Many children are playing in the garden. Some children are playing hide and seek. Some children are playing hide and seek. There are many trees in the garden. There are birds sitting on the tree. There are birds sitting on the tree. Now, see some more sentences from this picture. A boy is painting a picture of a tree and his mother is saying something to him. Again, here is one girl. A girl is swinging from the branch of a tree and there is a bird's nest in one of the trees. Have you seen this nest? Yes. And a girl is swinging from the branch of tree. One boy is painting a picture of a tree and his mother is saying something to him. So many children are playing in the garden. Some children are playing hide and seek. Okay. So again I am going to read these all sentences. There is a big garden. Many children are playing in the garden. Some children are playing hide and seek. There are many trees in the garden. There are birds sitting on the tree. A boy is painting a picture of a tree. His mother is saying something to him. A girl is swinging from the branch of a tree. There is a bird's nest in one of the trees. So dear students, remember, imagination is the key to become a successful writer. And you never know, many against you only able become a successful writer in future. So this is a one picture for you. So from this picture you write your own picture composition. Here is one hint. Bhaurao is a farmer. He has a small farm. And then after you have to write your own picture composition. This is your homework. This is homework. So dear students, complete this homework. Alright, bye for now. See you soon for the next class. Thank you.